In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the preview window in DaVinci Resolve. This is a handy feature when you're editing video and need to adjust your workspace to see your clips more clearly. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the double viewer mode option. If you take a look at the upper right corner of your interface, you'll find an option to toggle between single and double viewer modes. By clicking on this, you can switch to a double viewer mode, which splits your screen into two sections. This is particularly useful when you want to compare two different clips side by side. If, however, you find that you need more space for a single, larger preview screen, you can effortlessly switch back by clicking the same option again. Now, let's move to the preview window adjustments. Just below the preview area, there's a horizontal line. Hover your mouse over this line, and you'll notice that your cursor changes its icon. This indicates that you can click and drag the line upwards or downwards. Adjusting this will give you more or less space for your preview, depending on what you're working on and your preference at that moment. It's such a simple and intuitive way to manage your workspace effectively. Next, on the left side of the preview, there's another adjustment option. You'll see a vertical line running alongside the preview window. Mimicking the process we discussed earlier, hover your mouse over this vertical line. Watch as your cursor once again changes its icon. This allows you to drag left or right, providing even more flexibility in managing your preview area. By adjusting both the horizontal and vertical lines, you can customize your preview window to whatever dimensions work best for your editing needs. And finally, here's a tip specifically for when you're dealing with portrait-oriented video clips. There's an option just below the preview screen called Expand. This is particularly useful for projects shot in portrait mode, as clicking on Expand will adjust the preview area to better fit the dimensions of your vertical clip, allowing you to see more detail without leaving space wasted on the sides. By familiarizing yourself with these options for moving and resizing your preview window, you can enhance your editing workflow in DaVinci Resolve. It's all about making your environment as comfortable and efficient as possible, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your project. So go ahead. Experiment with these adjustments on your timeline. Find a configuration that feels right for your work, and elevate your editing process with a tailored workspace that suits your needs. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.